Hello, we are going to solve another problem in which we are going to evaluate for x cube is equal to 512. So first of all we will divide 512 by 2. So first of all we have divided 512 by 2. So first dividing in the same way, x cube square root becomes equal to 2 raised to the power 9. We can write x cube square root is equal to 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Now taking square on both sides, when we will take square on both sides, x cube will become this one and 2 raised to the power 9. So this will become x cube, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 18. So take cube root on both sides. When we will take cube root, this will become this one, 2 raised to the power 18 into 1 by 3. So x will become 2 raised to the power 18, 1 by 3. Similarly, x we can write 2 raised to the power 6 into 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 will be cancelled, 2 raised to the power 6. We can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, and 32 into 2 64. So this is the right answer. Follow for more. Thanks for watching.